If you're planning on launching your first Airbnb in 2025, this video might save you $50,000 and 6 to 12 months in wasted time. Most first time investors don't lose money because of the house that they buy. They lose because they guess through the process. They waste time in the wrong markets, they overpay on down payments, and worst case, they buy a deal that never cash flows because they didn't know what they were looking for. And by the time they realize it, they're stuck $50, $60, $70,000 deep into an initial investment. Here's how we help first-time investors do it differently and profitably. Step one is getting pre-approved with the right lender. We use low down payment lenders who specialize in Airbnb, not the big banks that are going to waste your time. Banks are going to want 20 to 25% down, and they're going to put you through the ringer when it comes to qualifying. We've got lending contacts that'll go 10% and in some cases all the way down to 5% down on your first Airbnb. Step two is choosing a market that's legal, profitable, and lender approved. We'll hand you our A-plus markets and help guide you into one that fits your goals, strategy, and budget the best. Step number three is we will source the deal for you. You don't need to analyze 40 properties or chase real estate agents. We find vetted, high potential deals with real data, not Zillow hype. Step number four is handling your inspection, design, setup, and then launch. We'll walk you through every step. When it comes to the inspection, we'll help you find a good, reputable home inspector, and then we'll review everything in that report once it's complete, just to help you forecast any potential surprises. With the design strategy, we can refer you to one of our in-house designers, and then we'll also double-check the design before you finalize it to make sure you are catering to your ideal guest that's going to pay you the most money. Then we'll help you set up your dynamic pricing to make sure you're maximizing your revenue. And then finally, we will co-host with you on that property for 45 days after you launch to make sure your property is successful and you're on your way to that superhost status. So what makes this different from a course or YouTube video? Courses give you theory, but they lack implementation. We're going to give you the actual deals, the lenders, the vendors, and the systems. You're not watching a how-to, you're walking through it with someone who's done it step by step. So if you're serious about launching your first profitable Airbnb in 2025, I'd love to invite you to book a free deal planning call. It's short with no pressure, just a real conversation about your goals, your timeline, and how to launch smart without burning $50,000 guessing. So just click on the link in the description and let's map out your path to cash flow.